Hello and thank you for watching today's unboxing and assembly video. In today's video, we're going to unbox and assemble the Vintage Scooter by eWheels. This is a recreational scooter that can handle up to 350 pounds. It can travel 12 miles per hour, and it has a 40-mile range when the batteries are fully charged. The scooter will arrive in a big box, basically assembled, and we're going to show you how to take it out of the box. You will need something to cut some tape, like a pair of scissors or a knife. As you can see, the scooter comes in a box completely wrapped in plastic and on a wooden pallet. Once you take the lid off of the box, you can literally just take the sides right off by picking it up, and then just grab a knife or a pair of scissors and start cutting off all of the plastic wrapping that you see around the entire scooter. You will notice that there is a little sheet on the headrest or on the back of the headrest, and that's just telling you that you need to turn on the circuit breaker switch. There is a circuit breaker that is cutting power from the batteries so that the batteries don't drain while the scooter's in a warehouse. You will need to cut the zip ties that hold the basket's lid shut, and once you open that lid, you'll see a box. You'll see a big plastic wrap with the charger and some keys, as well as a spare key fob, and we'll show you how to use those keys in a moment. You're going to also notice a cardboard box wrapped in bubble wrap. That cardboard box is going to contain the mirrors, and that's basically the only assembly required, is putting those mirrors on, which is very easy to do. At the end of the mirror, there is a threaded end with a little twisting cap that you can use to tighten and adjust the set point of each mirror. It will take a little playing with, but essentially just you screw that mirror right into the hole that's located on each handlebar. There's a threaded hole for those mirrors specifically, and once you have it almost all the way tight, you'll want to go ahead and grab that little nut towards the base of the mirror's threaded hole there and tighten it so that the mirror stays in place. You'll want to rinse and repeat for the right side, and you're good to go. We're just showing you here that the seat does slide forward and backwards, and there is a recline lever on the right. So you have the recline lever and the depth adjust lever, as well as a tilting adjust lever. So there are a lot of comfort adjustment features here, and we're going to show you more about this scooter here. We're also going to do a separate ride-along video on our other YouTube channel, Mobility Scooter Sales, which you can check out. Here we're showing you how to unlock the cargo storage under the seat. You take the key, there is a keyhole on the back towards the left side, and then you tilt the seat forward, and that's where you're going to find that circuit breaker switch. Again, you need to turn that on or else the scooter will not work. Once it's on, just put the key in the ignition on the right side, give it a turn clockwise, and the scooter will be on. Now, to get it off the pallet, we do recommend rolling it backwards so that you can grab onto the front bumper and lift it a bit so that it clears the wooden pallet without damaging the front of the scooter. So as you can see, we lifted the front with the front bumper and just rolled it right off the pallet. The armrests do flip up, and again, there is a lever to adjust the seat's depth. And we're going to let Dustin explain how the dash works.
Headlights, hazard signals, turn signals, forward, reverse, the speed operator, horn. Here's your brakes with parking brake.
As you can see, there is also a charging port right in front of the seat on the bottom. And here we're just showing you how the tilt adjust feature works. This is a really neat looking mobility scooter. It also has a unique feature in the front. There's a locking storage, which kind of looks like, you know, a typical vehicle with the front storage. It has a 5.5 inch ground clearance, which is very impressive. Overall, this is a great scooter. We highly recommend it. It's tax-free. Shipping is free at mobilitydirect.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to get notified when new videos come out just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.